You searched how to buy shares of Robinhood Markets Inc. Robinhood Markets Inc. is a U.S. financial technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HOOD. This video is for education only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search field and type the ticker HOOD. Select Robinhood Markets Inc. from the results to open the correct NASDAQ listing. On the stock page, you will see a brief company summary and a price chart. Confirm the issuer name and the ticker HOOD to make sure it is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. After confirmation, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to learn more.